today's publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers. Blocks in Scratch. Welcome to the exciting world of Scratch event blocks. Let's learn about event blocks and how they can make your projects come alive. Introduction. Block in Scratch. Event blocks are yellow colored blocks, have special shape with the bump at the top. These blocks are starting blocks, meaning this must go at the top of any code. Event blocks in Scratch that helps you trigger actions based on specific events. These events can be things like clicking the green flag, pressing keys on the keyboard, or even interacting with sprites on the stage. The event blocks allows you to control when certain action should happen in your project. Motion blocks. This blue color block allows you to sprite to move, rotate and glide. Motion block in Scratch are special coding blocks that allows you to control the movement of your sprites. With motion blocks, you can make your sprites move in different directions, rotate them and glide smoothly across the edge, and even make them bounce off the edges. These bring your characters to life, create animations, and add dynamic interactions to your projects. By using motion blocks, you can explore the possibilities of movement and make your projects more engaging and interactive. So, get ready to bring motion to your sprites and let them dance, glide, and explore the virtual world of Scratch. Look block. This purple color block changes the appearance of your sprite. Look blocks in Scratch are special coding blocks that allows you to control the appearance of your sprites. With look blocks, you can change the costume, add special bubbles, adjust the sizes, and control visibility. These blocks helps you to bring your projects to life visually and let you unleash your creativity by transforming the look of your sprites. Whether you want to add animations, add dialogue, or apply visual effects, look blocks provide you with the tools to make your projects visually engaging and captivating. So, get ready to explore the world of look blocks and give your sprites the unique style. Sound block. Sound blocks in Scratch are special coding blocks that allows you to control the audio aspects of your projects. With sound blocks, you can play sounds, add background music, control volume, and add creative variants. Blocks enables you to enhance the experience of your projects by adding auditory elements. Provide you with the tools to do so. By using sound blocks, you can make your projects more immersive, engaging, and enjoyable for your audience. So, get ready to explore the world of sound blocks and let your projects be heard. Control block. Control block in Scratch are special coding blocks that allows you to control the flow and behavior of your scripts. The control blocks can make decisions, repeat actions, and create loops in your projects. These blocks enables you to add logic and structure to your code, giving more control over how your program runs. Whether you want to create conditional statements, iterate through a series of actions, or wait for special events, control blocks provide you with necessary tools. By using control blocks, you can create more complex and interactive projects, allowing your code to respond dynamically to different situations. So get ready to dive into the world of control blocks and take command of your Scratch projects. Conclusion. Scratch blocks empower us to bring our projects to life. Motion blocks enable us to control sprite movements. Look blocks transform their appearance. Event blocks trigger actions based on events. And sound blocks add audio effects. These blocks provide endless creative possibilities, allowing us to create animations, games, and interactive experiences. With Scratch, we can express our imagination, engage our audience, and continue to explore the exciting world of coding. So, let's keep experimenting, learning and coding with Scratch to unlock our full creative potential. Happy coding and have fun on the Scratch adventure. Join me next time as we embark on another exciting adventure into the realm of technology. Happy exploring and have a fantastic day. Bye. See you in the next class.